What's up, guys? Here we are, Saturday morning, about 7:15. We're headed over to Chris's, so we're going to do a little bit more work on Mike's truck. Hopefully today we'll get some fuel system taken care of, maybe a couple wiring harnesses in the doors. I'm not really sure yet. I know Chris got a whole bunch of parts in the mail this week. If you follow him on Instagram, at Chris_Pat05, then you can see all those great things. So, here we go. And just like that, we're back. Here we are at Chris's house. Looks like he's got the garage open, waiting on us, ready to go. So, I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, what's up? Jesus here, and Chris.
It's cold.
It is cold.
It is very cold. I can't feel my toes.
We're here on a crisp Saturday morning. Time for an update on the truck. So, guys, what have we been doing?
Door harnesses.
Door harnesses.
The typical third-gen problem.
Yeah, windows won't roll down, windows won't roll up, door won't lock, door won't unlock, dome light comes on and off, you open the door, the dome light's on, then it goes off, then you shut the door, then the dome light comes back on.
You fix it 3 weeks later, it's broken again.
So we found some harnesses.
Yeah?
Yeah.
There you go. Here's your part number for your door harness.
Let's go see what Chris has been working on.
I've been cleaning. I got a new toy.
Chris got us a new toy.
Yeah. Super fancy ultrasonic cleaner, extra power, commercial grade.
Oven cooker 9000.
Oven cooking 9000.
Yeah.
It's loud and it's hot. Look, it's like soup. It shakes the water really fast. You turn it on. Can't hear anything. Turn it off. It's quiet.
Yeah. And Jesus and I got the fuel tank out. We got it all cleaned up, all the dirt beat off of it and everything. And so we're getting pretty close to being able to pull the pump and drain the tank, clean it out. Actually, right now, Jesus is pulling it. Look at that beautiful 10-year-old piece of crap. I know, this truck's an 05. It's 13 years old. Yeah. Let's take a look inside this fuel tank. Jesus already has it covered up. He says there's no dirt. We're going to see. Any dirt? Looks fairly clean. Finishing up here at Chris's. About time to head back home. Oh, got some grease on the forehead. Huh. Yep, so we will come back next Saturday. Hopefully Chris will have the trans built. And we can go ahead and start installing that in the truck. And then after that, hopefully the motor will come back from the machine shop. Get it put in. Might have a 600 horse truck. Hoping so. Hey guys, made it back to the apartment. So now we can go in and have ourselves a nice evening and recover, get ready for next week. So I hope you guys liked today's video. Got Mike's truck buttoned up just a little bit more. We're pretty close to being ready to go back together. We got that fuel tank put back in. It was pretty clean. We cleaned off the fuel pump. And Chris worked more on that hypersonic cleaner. Hypersonic? Ultrasonic. I think it's ultrasonic cleaner. But that thing is amazing. Man, what a purchase. And it is definitely going to save us some time on the parts washer. So hopefully all will be good. So thanks for tuning in. I will catch you all next time. Thank you and goodbye.